University of Umudiah Indonesia is back again with one of the biggest annually success event in 2019. Fourth International Creativity and Engineering Exhibition I Plus Aceh 2019. This event will be held at Umudiah University of Indonesia on 1st and 2nd October 2019. Open registration starting from now until September 24 for all participants from categories level, that is International University, National University, Senior High School, Junior High School, and Basic School. Submit your invention and innovation creativity with the group of inventions are from the field of agriculture and food technology, automotive and transportation, healthcare, pharmacy and biotechnology, building architecture and construction material, ICT and multimedia, and other fields. All participants also can represent the ideas with presentation, so just submit and do registration right now. For more information, just go to the official website of I Plus Aceh 2019 at www.iplusaceh.ui.ac.id. Win the gold certificate and medal, silver medal, and bronze award, and also special award from Myris, WP, Yuri Evans, Euro Evans, Innova, Umudiah University of Indonesia, and UB on TV, and also from Kainews, Korea. I Plus Aceh 2019 presented by University of Umudiah Indonesia.